Okay, second mod for the Gladiator.
Woo!
Yeah, we're moving fast. Let's see what we got here. Any guesses? Comment below. Care if you comment or not. We'll see what we got in here. Looks like I'm gonna have to roll her over. Oh, she's heavy.
Don't you remember that you just said that it's not actually heavy? That I had no reason to complain about having to drag it from the front steps into the garage by myself earlier because it's so light.
Whiny.
Remember that?
Oh, you're so whiny.
I remember that.
Okay. The best. Brackets, some bolts, I guess. What do you think it is? Uh-oh. Oh dear. Here we go. It is our winch bumper. There you go, full width.
Pretty.
Nice, huh? Powder coated, looks good.
It does look good.
Alright, let's put that back in there.
I like the full width ones better.
Alright, we will install that later, huh? Alright, sweet. We'll get a couple more mods for the Jeep. Wheels and tires, a winch. Well, big ones anyway. Okay, we have got the new bumper installed. We are now installing our new 10,000 pound X2O Smittybilt winch here. This thing's waterproof. Just got to put the bolts in to secure it and run our cables up to the battery here. One thing I'm really impressed with on these Gladiators, the newer Jeeps, is just the good stuff they put in here. Like these battery terminals are already set up to add a winch. Don't need to do anything crazy. That's pretty cool. So we're gonna run it up, the cables up through this area right here, and then bring them along here and hook them up. So we'll get going on that. The bumper's already installed. This is a EAG brand bumper. I got this off of I got this thing off of eBay along with the winch actually. So looking pretty good so far. I'm gonna take the fog lights out of the plastic bumper and put them in there too. So got a little bit more to go. Gonna try and get most of this wrapped up here tonight. We'll continue with the time lapse. Okay, winch is bolted down. I'm gonna tighten that down back at home where I've got another tool to get in there. It's a little bit tight, but that's going well. Now I just gotta pull the positive and negative cable. I'm gonna go down through here with my little hook. It's gonna come down here. So it popped out right there. Now I'm just gonna stick my, all right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pull that one through there. up there. Do that again with the positive. Okay, as you can see, my cables run over here. I'll tuck those away, right down there. Then I just ran them up through here, all the way to here. There we go. All nice and neat and hidden, and then I will zip tie those up once these things are in place up here. Just gotta run that up to the positive. We're good to go. All right, this is how I routed up my wiring for my lights and the winch. It's routed down through here, up, and there's a little crevice that you can pull everything up through here and get it up to your battery. So here's the battery. We just connected the winch right to this positive and negative terminal. Here's the positive side of the winch, negative side of the winch, and then this is my wiring. I have the stock auxiliary wiring package on this, so this is just wired right into the wiring that's right here in the engine bay. So it's all hooked up, real easy. I really love that auxiliary wiring, makes it super easy. This is the wiring I ran across here for my cell phone booster antenna. That's on the front here. Everything's been on here for about a month now. Everything seems to be working fine. Bumper hasn't come loose. Still nice and sturdy. Go. All right, this is the finished product here, all installed. Got our 9-inch bodies up here on the front. I added a CB extender right there, and then we put the factory fog lights up here in the bumper. So everything on it's all done. It fits pretty nicely. Looks pretty good. It's definitely thick enough. It's been on here for about a month now. Haven't had any issues with the coating coming off it. The powder coating has not worn off anywhere. So it's looking pretty nice. Like it. Definitely keep it on there. Had no issues with it. I have not yet been able to get stuck enough to use my winch. So I have no reviews on that yet, but overall, the bumper was super easy to install. The hardest part, I think, was getting the fog lights out of the stock bumper and getting all the plastic that was around them off. So there you go. All right, that's the install of the EAG bumper and quick review of it. Things pretty good. We like it so far. We've had it on there for about a month. As soon as we get a chance to do some winching with it and test out the winch, we'll do a review on that as well. So thanks for watching.
Modificazione